In today's video, we're taking a look at how to fix a small hole in your water hose. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we used on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today wanting to use your water hose, either to wash your car, to garden, to water some plants, to spray down your family members or friends, but you notice a small leak on your hose. Don't worry, today we're gonna show you how to fix that. And we're gonna do that with electrical tape. This method or technique works for small or pin type holes on your water hose. With bigger holes, it can reduce the leak or even stop it. It all depends on the size of the hole, but this is a cheap and quick fix. The first thing that you want to do is locate the hole. The second thing you want to do is turn off the water. The third thing you want to do is remove all the water from inside the water hose. Once you've done that, we want to go ahead and dry the area of the hole and around it. Now that we're ready, we're gonna need our electrical tape and scissors. And we wanna start off taping right where the hole is at. And we wanna tape it and go around as tight as we can. We don't wanna leave any air gap. And we wanna go an inch to the right of the hole and an inch to the left of the hole. This is gonna create greater pressure for the water not to escape. The more tape you use, the better the seal. And remember, it's very important that the water hose is dry. And now that you wasted all this electrical tape, you're ready to cut. Now you're ready for the ultimate test. Let Watson know to let the water run and stand back and admire your work. They don't call you the greatest of all time for no reason. If you have any partners, friends, family, kids around, don't be scared to shout it out so high that only you can hear it. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone at the StatUpBox team or someone from the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.